Here's one of my videos today. Flynn's the other side of the camera as well, so we're not giving too much grief. But here's one of my videos today that I wanted to get done. So this was the tool I was on about in my live this morning that I purchased from the old Snap-on van. And yes, it was cash. No, I don't owe him anything. But it's one of them bad boys. I'll give you the part number in a second. You can't actually see it here. But it is glass-infused nylon anti-marring trim tools. Right? Sounds cool, doesn't it? So the idea is, using one of these bad boys, you ain't going to scratch any plastic trims. And they are quite strong. They are lifetime guarantee as well, guys, so, you know, just be sensible. You know, the whole Snap-on, pry bar, chip, chisel, all that shit. Probably the same applies. However, they've not written it on this one. But the part number is PKGT7. There's one of them anyway. Look. There we go. Get that in there. Will it show? No. Will it balls? There we go. That's a bit better. Try that one. But it does come as a set. And I just wanted the posh handles, to be fair. So I've got them. I'm going to take apart this gold fake door now because the wing mirror's been smashed in, and let's get it all fixed. But yeah, what a tool. What a tool. I do like a Snap-on bar, you know. So there will be another video coming about tools very, very shortly. Stay tuned. Love you back.